शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। क्लास 7th मैथ exercise 2.5 question number 8. Maria brought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Maria आना 5 kg 300 gram apple बेच आना सो 3 kg 250 gram mango आम. Sabina brought 4 kg 800 gram apples. Sabina Shana 4 kg 800 gram milk and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. 4 kilo to 150 gram chana bananas. Who brought more fruits? Actually, kuch kara matlab ana jat fruit. For Maria. For Maria. Apples brought. Apples brought is equal to 5 kg 300 gram. 5 kg 300 gram. Mangoes brought. Mangoes brought was 3 kg 250 gram. 250 gram. So those fruit is brought. Fruit is brought goes is therefore fruit is brought goes is equal to go apples plus mangoes. So goes is equal to apple which is 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. So goes is equal to goes that 0 go 0 आई 5 तो 0 go 5 आई 3 तो 2 गई 5 गई बे गोस kg 3 तो 5 3 गई 8 गई 8 kg 550 gram आव अस टोटल 8 kg 550 gram आव अस टोटल पत गोस for Sabina goes apples brought is equal to goes 4 kg 800 gram but goes bananas brought goes is equal to 4 kg 150 gram. So goes therefore fruit is brought. Fruit is brought goes apples plus bananas. So goes is equal to 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. So goes is equal to 0 go 0 आई 5 go 5 आई 8 आ गई 9 गई बे गोस kg 4 तो 4 गई 8 kg गो 8 kg 950 gram गो मरियम करा 8 kg 550 gram सबीना आना फ्रूट 8 kg 950 gram. Therefore
8 kg 950 ग्राम greater than 8 kg 550 ग्राम गो 8 किलो 950 ग्राम से ज्यादा 8 किलो 550 ग्राम खुद तो सो Sabina brought more apples, more fruits. Sabina ana sar jad mev baki wasal.